guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is day 2 of our sneak peeks for our June products. So I'm super excited to share what's in your box of the month. Yesterday I shared what was in the junior box of the month, and today I'll share the remaining products that will be in the box of the month. You'll be able to purchase the paper that you see here today and the ephemera individually on the website if you're interested in those products. I wanted to share our free with 60, so this promotion starts June 1st, 9 a.m. Central Time. You'll get this cute little watermelon keychain with the half pack of enamel dots, cute little watermelon card that says positive watermelon. I will always be around to let you know that you are one in a melon. So this will pop into your cart for orders over $60 or more. You'll see that pop into your cart. So for your box of the month, the remaining products, so let me share what I showed yesterday. This is also in your box of the month. This beautiful stamp set called Sandy Toes. So really, really pretty. I went over this yesterday, so if you want to watch the video from yesterday, I'll share a card using this a little bit later in the video. I shared Down by the Shore paper pad, Down by the Shore ephemera pack. So here's the card from yesterday. Super, super cute. So that's using this paper collection here. The postage grid is from our Easy Wonder Die number 3, which is releasing on June 15th. So you're getting those products. You're also getting this 6x8 stamp set called Doodle Summer Borders, which is really, really cute. I'm going to pop a couple pictures in here with some card samples. These look really just fun to color. Make some really cute cards with these. You can also, these would be great stamped on little notebooks and stuff like that. We've got a few sentiments in here. Take me to the beach. Oh hey vacay, sunshine on my mind, and salty attitude. So really cute. You're also going to get the Blue Seas collection. So really pretty paper pad, some wood grain in here, some florals. Very, very pretty. They go very nicely with the other ephemera pack Down by the Shore as well. So really nice colors. I love this solid because it's not like a solid, it's got that texture on it. This paper pad, you're getting 2 of each design. They're double-sided, so there's prints on the back as well. Love the wood grain in here. So pretty. And then the flowers. And then that one has some like shiplap in the background. So pretty. So you could pair up the Blue Sea ephemera with that. So lovely images with that blue and beige color combination. So let me move this out of the way so you can take a look at all the ephemera. And then let me share the card I did using the paper and the ephemera. So I just layered a bunch of strips with different paper designs. I used the Easy Wonder Die number 3 postage for a little sentiment and then a little place to stamp out my image. So that is from the 6x6 stamp set, and I just stamped out this little image here, and I stamped it out with Distress ink and Faded Jeans. So I thought this turned out really cute. So let's take a look at the ephemera. Got some ladies in here and different images. So you got a little boat, a little lighthouse, a little shelf there, some waves. Some starfish, candle with some shells, different shells in here. Here's some books. So everything is in this beautiful blue color. Some rocks. Let's move this over a little bit. A nice deck. So really pretty images. Okay, so that's everything. Then you're getting a sample pack of the Tranquil Sea card fronts. There's a bonus image included on the back of this pack. This will be available for individual purchase. In the box of the month, you'll get 6 panels from that pack. So just beautiful images. They will vary from box to box. But just so you get a little sampling look. I showed the whole pack yesterday, so if you want to go back and take a look at that, you can see all the beautiful designs that are in this pack. And then here are 2 card samples. I used the Easy Wonder Die number 3 to create this little postage grid. Isn't that cute? And then I stamped some of the sentiments from the box onto the paper, and it turned out so pretty. So I will have a couple spots available for the box of the month. So if you're interested in signing up, you can reserve your box for next month by signing up monthly. You'll get 18% off when you choose monthly for your frequency. The best time to sign up is at 9 a.m. Central Time on June 1st. Later in the month, if I have any spots opening up, I will send out an email so you can get on that wait list. So thank you so much, guys, and I will be doing a live stream party on the 1st at 1 p.m. Central Time. So instead of going live at 10 like I normally do, I'll be going live on Sunday at 1 p.m. So I hope to see you guys there. And tomorrow I will show another peek, and it will be the Paper Pad Club of the month. So I will see you tomorrow at 1 p.m. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you then. Bye, guys.